how to turn on or turn off put unused apps to sleep on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on device care. So you will see device care is here, so click on device care. Now here, so click on battery. So after click on battery, so click on background unused limits. So after click on background used limits, so you will see put unused app to sleep is here. So if you want to turn off, put unused app to sleep, so turn off this button. So after turn off this button, you will see put unused apps to sleep is turn off. So if you want to turn on put unused app to sleep, so turn on this button. So after turn on this button, you will see put unused apps to sleep is turn on. So you will turn on or turn off put unused apps to sleeps from here. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh home. So that's how you can turn on or turn off put unused apps to sleep on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.